Oh,
Okay,
okay.
here we are.
I'm fine.
Okay,
So, will
yeah.
will Eric join the meeting?
Eric is currently out taking care of the warehouse. I don't know if he will gonna be able to join. If not, he will set up another call with you, or most likely we will gonna talk again on the next meeting since we are going back to this weekly meeting so we can go over of all the accounts that you are currently managing and see how things are going on and what is needed from us to be done and like so on. Uh, First of all, he's taking care of the warehouse. I know that you already do have experience about that software that you're going to be using to connect with them, to send the shipping labels and everything else that is related to the orders, since most likely it will be ready within this week and starting from the next week, you're going to be able, sorry, for all the orders placed to ship them to the new address, which will going to be the warehouse. Besides that, which I already saw that you already sent like those recordings that Eric requested. If you don't mind, I don't know if you are currently on a PC, so I can see that quickly with you as well for me just to understand better since we are here.
Actually, I'm not in my office right now, and I cannot show you. But I have recorded that video how to log in with my Lola and how to use that software. So I have sent you two videos. So you can watch those videos. And if you have any question, you can let me know just okay. And another thing is the software you are using, you have 3PL login and we have the seller login. So the login and interface will not be same.
Yes, 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 of
Okay.
course, I know.
So what we are doing with this software, we are normally doing the inventory management, the first point, and the second one, we can ship every item easily. We don't need to talk to the 3PL guy every time to ship any item.
Mhm.
So we can upload our shipping label in the software for that specific order, and the 3PL guy can download or print that label from the software easily.
Mhm.
Okay, so this is the easiest way where we can manage our inventories and we can manage our shipments within short time. So that's why we are using this MyLolan software. Okay, and the best part is if the 3PL guy check in one item in the software, after checking in he cannot update it. For example, if I send 20 units of one item to the Florida 3PL, which is edx right now, so when the 3PL guy will receive that item, when the 3PL guy will receive the item, definitely they will do the check in that software. For example, he received 20 and he already checked in 20 units. After that, there is no option to update it. For example, if he thinks he will steal one unit and he will update it into 19 units, it's not possible. So when it will be updated in Mylolan, only it will be decreased or it will be reduced when we will ship or we will request the shipment from the software.
Okay,
So
so
this is the
this
secured system.
Okay, so this means everybody who's going to be managing the 3PL account should be careful with the amount that he's declaring there of the products received. And on the other hand, you're going to see everything that has been checked in so you can understand the units that have been already shipped to the 3PL warehouse. So it won't be necessary for you or any other account manager to call and check every time if an order was delivered or not, because you're
Yes,
gonna see directly the inventory which was checked in there, right?
yes, yes, definitely. And another thing is, we definitely need a WhatsApp group chat with that in a 3PL guy, because if we send 20 units of one item, already 24 hours gone and it's delivered, but it's not updated in my Lolan software, then where we will complain or where we will talk about it. So definitely we have to have a WhatsApp group where we can inform that with a screenshot that 24 units have been delivered, 24 units have been delivered in your warehouse, kindly check it and update it in the my Lolan software, right?
Mhm.
So we need a WhatsApp group chat also with as well as with
Yes.
that software. Okay.
Yes, yes,
then
of course.
it will be working.
Sure, sure. The WhatsApp will gonna be like definitely something needed for this kind of requirements, which you already
Okay.
mentioned.
So 3PL guy, what's the task of 3PL guy? He will do only two tasks mainly. He will check in items and he will print out the shipment label and he will check it out. This is the normal two tasks of 3PL guy. And the other task is in the 3PL. He will pack it and he will check it whether it's damaged or not. So everything. But normal main two tasks are he will check in the items and he will print the shipping label and he will check it out from the software. Have you
Okay.
got my point?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, 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 of course. Okay, that sounds great. And let's see how everything will gonna work once it will be ready for us and for the warehouse as well. To go quickly, for the accounts that you are currently managing for us, I have been seeing the team that has been like available there for you. So how is everything going and what is currently impending that you might need our intervention to get it completed?
Okay. We need Amazon Prime account for all of the stores we have. I have
Okay.
already informed in all of these group chats
Yeah.
and I need those logins. I have got only for Alex account. Okay. So I didn't get
Okay.
for not Alex. I've got for Ali Austin probably.
Ali
So I need
Austin,
for
because
all
she
of other
already had.
stores.
Okay, just something related to the Amazon Prime accounts, because we have noticed that every new account, every new Amazon Prime account that has been set up recently, which is new, not used before, once we place the first order on the account gets suspended from Amazon. Besides the IP or whatever, it does not have like anything to do with that, because we have tried like AnyDesk, Proper PC, app. The situation is the same. Once we have placed the
If
first order on the new
if
accounts.
client,
Yes.
yes, the thing can be happened if client had another Amazon Prime account before
Yeah.
and he's using the same number, he's using the same IP address, he's using the same card again in that account, then the account can be suspended. This is one point. Another point, the account can be suspended when you are changing the shipping address every time. So as we are doing two-step dropshipping, we will use only one shipping address. That's Florida,
Mhm.
the address of 3PL of Eric's, right? So as
Yes.
we will use only one shipping address, there will be no suspension in Amazon Prime. We are using Amazon Prime for our other Walmart stores. There is no issues. If the client didn't have any other Amazon account, Amazon Prime account or Business Prime account before, then there will be no issues.
Okay.
If
Okay.
he had, okay, if he had, he definitely used a card. So he cannot use that card again in this account or new account.
Yes, yes,
So
I'm
it will be
aware.
better.
I'm
Yeah.
aware of that. I'm aware that we cannot use like the same phone number, email address, or credit card, because obviously that is the main thing that can be linked and get to the suspension. So we have, like, as I mentioned, noticed that on the new accounts, we have been using old accounts of the clients and we had no issues. Although some of the account manager like did proper drop shipping and that changed the shipping address like every time that they placed an order, so it was shipped to the client, to the customer directly. But on the new accounts that we set up for the clients, they got suspended. Anyway, me and the team will gonna check and see if the clients already have an old account. We can try to use that, because
Yes,
I'm
that will
confident
be better.
it will be better, since there are previous purchase history and there won't be an issue even if we change the shipping address into the new one that we will going to be sending the products. And for the other clients which do not have an Amazon Prime, we will going to try to set up one for them directly on the VPS, adding like the information that is needed with the new phone number and credit card information, and see if that will gonna work. I'm gonna try to complete this for you. Let's see if we can do it within the week, so you're gonna have we're gonna have it ready for the next one when you're gonna start even like to place and shipping orders to our warehouse. Okay. Other than the Amazon Prime,
Nothing else right now. And did you check the software? We are already added our account with Eric's 3PL software. So if you check, you can see us. Did you check
uh,
it in the software? Do you have the software login right now?
no, Eric sent it to me. I have not set up an account yet because I'm gonna have like a 3PL account in there, but we're gonna be with my email address. Eric sent the link to me. I have not set up that yet. I'm gonna do that today or tomorrow maybe because today I
Okay.
have
So
all the day
when
busy.
when you will do it, you can see our store
Mhm.
in Eric's account.
Okay. Um, Other than that, how are those stores going this month? I know that we have slowed down a little bit with,
Yes, I can. I have to tell it because we are slow down because of two things. One is client didn't have budget.
yeah, yeah, I'm aware of that,
One point, and
especially some of them.
second point is we were stopped because Eric told us we are going to start drop shipping in Eric's warehouse by using Eric's warehouse. That's why we are not using another warehouse. We are doing already, but we are not using. We will use Eric's warehouse for his clients. So that's why we are late. And for some stores, we are doing already drop shipping, but we didn't start drop shipping yet for edx stores. Okay, so we are going to start. This is one point. And the second point is the clients didn't have budget in that time. Okay, that's why the business was slow, and I hope in February or from February it will be better, the number will be big.
Okay. And how are we doing with the refunds and everything else? Is everything good in there? Like, did we had like many losses coming from?
Hello,
Yes, do you hear
I
me?
cannot hear you saying.
Mm.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Tell me.
So I was asking about those refunds. Did we solved everything related to those? Do we have still products to be shipped out from clients' addresses?
No. If clients have any items in their house, you have already cleared all of those items. Okay, so if they get new items, we instantly clear after taking the orders. Okay, so there is no items remaining in client's house. All the washing machines were shipped also, so everything is clear right now.
Okay, awesome, great. And are those all reflected to the profit sheets for
Yes,
January?
yes, definitely. All are reflected. Just the number of KLM, the number of price he resold those washing machines. It's not adjusted yet. You told it's around 400, right?
Yes, I think I have to check that again.
Yes, I can check it. So I will adjust it today in the profit sheet. So we will
Okay.
just reduce our loss up to 400.
Yes, yeah, now I remember. Yeah, 400 was that she sold those units of the washing machine. Okay, that's good. That's good. Because for KLM, like we have to wait and understand what she would like to do moving forward since the client has been a little bit skeptic about how things works, although she was a little bit more relieved when she received the payouts, but still we are trying to understand like how much she would like to invest moving forward and how she would prefer things to be done considering you already know that like all these products that are big in size, let's skip them because we want to avoid having issues. Most likely, even moving forward as a return address, we will gonna use client's
Definitely,
return address.
yes,
So that's
definitely the
why.
return address will be our 3PL address. So there will be no headache to our
Yeah,
clients
but
in
I'm
future.
not sure. I'm not sure if Eric wants to do this for all of our clients. That's why. Because if we were gonna use the warehouse address for all our stores, for all the stores that we are currently managing, it will be a little bit too much. So this means that the returns will gonna fit most of the place, and we want to avoid like those kind of
No,
issues
no, no, no,
because
no. No,
we
it can
want
be. My point is, if we get any return, we will ship it to the new customer again. So
yes.
when we will ship it to the new customer, that means Eric will charge again.
Oh,
Eric will
yes, of
charge again.
course. Yes,
Okay.
that absolutely. That's for sure. But let's see how Eric would prefer to do that. Um, okay. So, besides of that, I know that we are short in budget for right now for Alex. For Allie Austin, I'm not sure if she updated her budget because I think she had like confirmed that we could resume working in there. Robert as well confirmed his budget, if I'm not wrong.
Robert is a good student. We had a good balance, and he has got the payment from Walmart already. We didn't get the payment of December yet, so this is the point.
Yes,
When
yes,
we will get
yes. We are waiting for the clients to send us because we sent the profit sheet late. This month we billed the clients late, and we will gonna send them a SAP to you. There is 600 and something that you are waiting, right?
yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have that done. I'm gonna take a note on that one.
Okay.
Uh, Okay. Okay, good. That will gonna be all on my end. If there is anything else that you would like to check, just let me know.
Uh, Nothing right now. Just we need a verification for KRM store, and I have asked the other guy.
For
What is the name of him?
which one was that?
What is the name of the other another assistant in the group
Uh,
chat?
Larai Bourget.
The name of him is Jay. Right, Jay. Yeah, I have asked the Jay for the OTP because I need an OTP for the verification of KRM store. Walmart asked for verification
For
in
which
KLM.
KLM? Okay.
Yes. So I have asked Jay for the verification, and I need a code. So I have told him when the client will be ready, just let me know. Then I will send a code, and if he gives me the code, then it will be okay. Okay. So I need a code from the client for the Walmart verification.
The problem here is that this email, it's not accessible anymore, and the client has changed it time ago. So we should edit this one.
Then kindly log in. We didn't know that, and we don't know that. If he changed anything in Walmart, the Gmail or anything, we he should inform us. As we don't know this, so the account will not be verified. Okay, so Walmart asked, they could not verify our Walmart store, and they need another verification. So if he changed anything,
Yes, yes, yes.
kindly do
No,
this from the store.
yes, I thought she changed like everything because she did that like back a few time ago since we lost access to the webmail to the sales at klmcapitalllc.com. She changed it to her personal email and it was accepted, but seems like it wasn't changed for the customer service. Anyway, I'm gonna
Okay.
have
Okay, no
yes, yes.
problem. Just send me the code. Just send me the code and let me try. If it doesn't work, then you can update the mail from the account. Okay, so I will need a code. So they will verify and they will need a code. Just Walmart will ask for a code. So if I fill the code, then they think we are okay. Okay, so I will need a code. I will send it. So if it works, then no problem. If it doesn't work and Walmart again cannot verify, then you have to update the Gmail or update the email in the account.
Yes. No worries. We're gonna do that.
Okay, so if I show you 1 second, in the KLM account I have shown already. This is, can you see?
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so they asked for the verification again, and they said
Yes,
we could not verify your customer service.
I saw that already, and we are asking to the client to update that.
Okay, kindly do it. Nothing else for today.
Okay.
If I need
No.
anything, I will tell you.
No, that's all for now. I'm gonna sign in myself into the software, and if I'm gonna have like any question related to that, I'm gonna bother you with a couple of questions more just for me to understand better and
No problem.
like in case it will gonna be needed for.
No problem. It should be comfortable to use the software. No problem. I'm here for you always.
Okay, awesome. That will gonna be all for now, Chef. We will gonna talk later on the chat and see each other again on the next meeting. Thank you for taking time to join the call and talk to you later.
Thank you so much. And another thing, kindly send me the recorded video in
Yes,
WhatsApp
yes,
or in Google Drive. Okay. Thank you so
yes.
much. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.